Hello students, in this video we will solve a numerical problem related to principle of mathematical induction. Problem is 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus so on plus 3 to the power n plus n minus 1 equal to 3 to the power n minus 1 whole upon 2. This is a numerical problem related to PMI. Now how to solve by the PMI and how to prove left is equal to the right with the help of principle of mathematical induction. Let here P of n equal to 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dash plus 3 power n minus 1 whole to the equal to 3 to the power n minus 1 whole upon 2. Now for n equal to 1, first we check this is the n equal to 1. For n equal to 1, this is the true or not. If we put n equal to 1, then you should be take from left side only one term, that means this is the first term. Then p of 1 equal to 1 equal to, and in the right side we should be put on the place of n is 1. 3 to the power 1 minus 1 whole upon 2. This will be 3 to the power 1, 3 minus 1, 2 upon 2 equal to 1. That means you can see here 1 equal to 1. That means this is the true for n equal to 1. Now same for n equal to 2, p of 2 equal to, if we putting n equal to 2 in this statement, so you should be take two term from the left side, means first and second. Then 1 plus 3 equal to, in the right side put on the place of n is 2, 3 to the power 2 minus 1 whole upon 2. This will be 3 plus 1 4 equal to 3 to the power 2 9 minus 1 whole upon 2 equal to 8 upon 2 equal to 4. Now you can see here 4 equal to 4, that means this is also true for n equal to 2. Now let for n equal to k is true, we suppose if this statement is true for n equal to 1, true for n equal to 2, true for n equal to 3, then we suppose for n equal to 1 will be also true. Therefore p of k equal to, if we take n equal to k, then we should take all terms from the left side and right side both. That means 1 plus 3 plus 3 to the power 3 square plus so on plus 3 to the power k minus 1 equal to 3 to the power k minus 1 whole upon 2, and we give the name of first equation of this relation. Now we should be prove that to prove for n equal to k plus 1 will be also true. Therefore p of k plus 1 equal to, now write from here to here same, that means 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dash plus 3 to the power k minus 1, and increase one term, one more term, and write on the place of n k plus 1 and also minus 1. This is on the place of n and equal to 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 whole upon 2. As you see here, from the equation 1, from 1 to 3 to the power k minus 1, we can write 3 to the power k minus 1 upon 2. That means on the place of this, we can write 3 to the power k minus 1, 3 to the power k minus 1 whole upon 2 plus 1 and 1 will be cancelled, 3 to the power k equal to 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 whole upon 2. This is the equation second. Now this is need to prove that this term and this term both are equal. If you prove this term and this term are equal, then you can say that this statement is true from PMI. Now we will try to prove it by LHS. By LHS, 3 to the power k minus 1, 3 to the power k minus 1 whole upon 2 plus 3 to the power k. This will be equal to, if we take LCM 2, then this will be 3 to the power k minus 1 plus 2 into 3 to the power k whole upon 2. 3 to the power k plus 3 to the power k, 2 3 to the power k plus 3 to the power k. This will be 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 whole upon 2. Since as you know that x to the power m into x to the power n, x to the power m plus 1, m plus n, that means this will be 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 whole upon 2. And this is the right side of this statement. This will be equal to RHS. Therefore, PMI proved. Now in the next video, we will take another numerical problem related to PMI.